Select Edge bike computers offer mountain biking navigation tools and metrics that let you track every epic jump and heart-racing run. Mountain bike models come preloaded with data from trail forks built right into the Garmin Cycle map. That includes detailed maps of trails from more than 80 countries, complete with trail ratings. You'll be able to view the trails in detail right on your Edge device without having to reach for your smartphone. Using this data, Edge helps you find the best trails suited to your skill level. Want to import rides you planned on Trail Forks? Use the preloaded Trail Forks Connect IQ app and you can sync them right to your Edge. Once selected, the trail will be downloaded to your courses list. You can find them later in your saved courses. When you stop mid-ride, Fork Sight mode automatically displays upcoming forks in the trail and gives you context by showing where you are within a trail network. While you ride, your Edge will capture mountain bike-specific metrics that you can view in-ride or later in the activity summary. For example, after you ride, you'll be able to see your jump count, plus distance, and hang time for each jump. Your Edge can even generate a score for each jump based on those measurements. After your ride, you'll be able to view a chart of your jump data in Garmin Connect. It will also show the location of each jump on the activity map trail. And Garmin-only metrics called Grit and Flow give you even more insight. Grit measures a ride's difficulty based on elevation, gradient, and rapid changes in direction. This provides a consistent metric that helps compare the difficulty of one ride to another. The higher the number, the tougher the ride. Flow is designed to help you improve by measuring your fluidity as you move through the ride, as well as places where you break the momentum of the ride. It takes into account factors such as your speed consistency and smoothness through turns. A lower number means a better flow. Next time you ride that trail, you'll have a number to beat. You can see your grit and flow on in-ride data fields, on the lap summary screen, and at the end of the ride in the activity summary. After you sync with Garmin Connect, you can analyze grit and flow in more detail with charts and color-coded track logs on the map that show your scores and highlight key points throughout the ride. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.